This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Oh wow, good morning everybody, good freaking morning. I am still basically setting up for the show. I barely set up, like I have everything done. My articles are here, but my mind is not because we just hit $60,000 Bitcoin and I feel like I'm going to cry. I barely had coffee today, guys. Like I'm literally just so shook. We're live over an hour early because this is just too much. I am freaking overwhelmed. I needed to share my emotions. Holy. Okay, guys, we are live. Please share this out with friends because we're watching Bitcoin pump together. The market's booming. Guys, the golden zone. Guys, we're $60,600. We just had a wick high in this minute to 60,910. Guys, what is happening? What is happening? Guys, I know you DGens have been up all night watching this. I woke up this morning. I was like, I almost went live at like 7 a.m. I was losing my mind. I just cannot believe what's going on. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. I'm obviously, the noodle is lost. There's no shot of it coming back. We're here. We're talking about Bitcoin this morning. We are up over 5%. We're basically 6% in the green right now. Seeing the minute chart fly up to about 60.9K Bitcoin. And now we are retracing about, what, 500 bucks? That is okay. This is the minute. And listen, we have the golden zone we were talking about yesterday, and I want to talk about that for a moment. But first, I want to say good morning to everybody in the chat. So again, if you guys are here, make sure you guys smash the like, share the stream out with friends. I know I'm live early. I know I shouldn't be live right now, but I am live anyway because I needed to share my emotions with you. So good morning, everybody. Again, welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, to talk about Bitcoin, crypto, and everything you need to know about the current news. And I do have my news. We will go into that. But I just cannot believe what's going on right now with Bitcoin. And this is the first time we've seen $60,000 Bitcoin in a very long time. Let's flip back to the daily chart as we shout out our sponsors, both Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Links are in the live chat as well as the description. Please make sure to use code missteencrypto or code Zesty for 20% off Market Cipher. This is just so... Guys, I'm still drinking coffee. Like, this is just so insane. I can't even wrap my mind around what's going on here. Good morning, TikTok. We have 200 people over there. Smash the like, give me a follow. Let's get after it. Guys, we have 60,000 freaking Bitcoin. I need emojis in that chat. We need emojis in that chat. Make sure you guys smash these emojis. Give me a rocket emoji in that chat for all my members. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are at 60.2K Bitcoin. Now, we talked about the golden zone yesterday. We were talking about right here. And this was $60,000 Bitcoin. So basically, exactly around 59,930. And once we went through that, we soared right to 60K. Now, if, again, you guys don't remember yesterday, we were talking about the golden zone. It was where we kind of established support at this level. It brought us straight to 63K, basically 64. And then right over here in October of 2021 through November of 2021, we've had buyers defending this level, and that pushed us to all-time highs of around 69K. So I'm just telling you guys, this is a level to watch. The golden zone is freaking legit. And we talked about it yesterday. It's happening right now. I didn't expect it to happen that quick, but Bitcoin does whatever people didn't think it would do. And everybody was saying that this would never happen anywhere close to the halving. And you know what? The majority were wrong again. And this is what happens every single time. So this is my sign and your sign to start being more of a contrarian and think outside the box. And what everybody's saying, most of the time, Bitcoin does the opposite. Now, they're saying, some people are saying, yes, the ETFs could be one of the reasons for it, because 300,000 Bitcoin is collectively held amongst the ETFs, which is a lot of Bitcoin. I'm not going to lie to you. But then we also have, people like Michael Saylor that own well over 100,000 Bitcoin as well, and a lot of whales that we don't even know about right now. So, yeah, this is just pretty insane. I'm not going to lie to you. And I do think that this is where a lot of people, if you guys noticed during the bear market and when price was low, there was still not a lot of selling pressure because people were taking their crypto off of the exchange. A lot of people are now taking custody. They don't want any pressure for their Bitcoin to possibly be gone. And I'm giving you guys this warning now that when Bitcoin starts to dip or when it rises as fast as it is now, you will go to your crypto exchange. And most of the time when there's volatility like this, they will not let you on and they will not let you withdraw. They will not let you buy. So this is my warning to everybody. If you have crypto on an exchange, please be careful. Good morning to everybody in the chat. As we're sitting around 60.2 Bitcoin, I want to say good morning to everybody in the chat. We have the lovely and lovely Emma Foster. This is for you. Good morning, Emma Foster. It's so good to see you. I know I'm live early, so now you get to hang out here. That's amazing. Mr. Yi is here, being a top-notch zesty friend for 1 year now. That is insane. Never stop educating and spreading adoption. Much love and appreciation for everything you do. Thank you. I appreciate that. Aww. Listen, this is just so insane. I know that a lot of people aren't up right now. It's a small group right now, but I just don't care, guys. I do not care. I am so excited. We are absolutely booming with $60,000 Bitcoin.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
$20 from David Tejeras, GM to the Queen of BTC, Pump It Up BTC to the Moon, GM Emma and GM Randi 2 BTC, Rocket.
Oh, David, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is so insane. This is so insane. I was like, I don't care. If nobody shows up to the stream, I'm going live early. This is also where a lot of people get greedy. So I just want to throw it out there, my little lovely friends in the chat. Don't get too greedy. Bullish, a bearish case scenario, stick to it. Stick to it. People think things wouldn't get that far. People didn't think this was going to happen. People said that there was no way Bitcoin would even go near all-time highs pre-halving, and it wasn't like the rest of the cycles. I'm a 4-year cycle max. Oh, gosh. Bitcoin proving everyone wrong again. I love it. I love it. But a lot of, I don't think the greed level is too high right now, but people definitely are getting caught in the sauce, and there's a lot of leverage that's going to be thrown around right now. Now, I'm also throwing it out there that Bitcoin is at $60,400. The golden zone is here, my friends. Let's go back to present day. I am losing my noodle. Hold on, I gotta show you the screen. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. So we have 60.5K Bitcoin. We're approaching our highs for the day again. Let's go back to the minute. Oh my God, oh my God. I'm losing my mind. Look at this, guys. Look at her go. So it seems like we have a new resistance kind of set out here on the minute chart around 60.7K. We do have a nice fresh green dot printed on market Cipher. VWAP is popping. Money flow is beautiful. And we also have the RSI that's starting to maybe mess around. She looks a little bit unsure in which direction she's going. Dude, this is insane. This is... I just can't believe what I'm looking at. I'm so bewildered right now. I have no words to describe what is going on, except that this is what we've been waiting for. That this attention that Bitcoin's about to get, crypto's about to get. Do you understand how hard we all worked? The days we had to go through of sideways trading, the up, the down, the in-between, the good, the bad, the dirty with all the FUD, and this is where we're at right now? 60.4K freaking Bitcoin? Like, even if we retrace right now, guys, is that a big deal at all since we're considerably up 41% for the month? No, that is okay. We're supposed to retrace. Bitcoin is so gosh darn healthy. It seems like this green dot might play out here on the minute. Let's see, market cipher. The VWAP is a little bit sideways, which I'm not enjoying. I want a confident push there. Where are Bitcoin investors investing in? I'm not sure what you mean. Like, where are they buying Bitcoin? LF, nice to see you. Good morning. All right. Guys, look, 60.5 again. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this is so insane. Can you believe? You're live early. What's the occasion? Nova Knox. This is the occasion. 60.4K Bitcoin. You thought Nova Knox I wasn't going to be here? I was literally hitting the go live button as 60K hit. I wanted to be live for that. But I went live the second after, and I caught the run up to just now to 60.7. So I am here for the major stuff, and I'm so freaking excited. I'm so honored to be here right now. Like, you guys don't understand that this is history. Wi-Fi puppy, Tim, this is nuts. I know. This is history. I don't know if we're really comprehending what's going on here. Historical levels right now for Bitcoin. We have not seen this since literally the last bull market in October to November of 2021. This is multi-year highs right now. This is the rise of Bitcoin just showing off what it's made of, showing us again that it's going to do whatever it wants, when it wants, and that it is the best performing asset, showing all the stocks, showing gold, showing all these TradFi plebs that this is where we're going. This is where the digital revolution is. This is where the money is. This is so much bigger than you think. This is history. This is unlike anything we've ever seen before in finance, in money, in a revolution. This is what a peaceful revolution looks like. This is proof that the revolution is happening and it's working. Bringing the power back to the people, average people get to invest in Bitcoin. They get the opportunity to own something, to maintain their value, and maybe have it appreciate. Can't say that about the dollar. Can't say that about the current banking system. And you definitely cannot say it about gold. And you definitely cannot say it about any of the banking stocks that are plummeting right now. Someone said they're laughing at the haters right now. Yeah. I had people tell me last bull market, Bitcoin would never hit $50,000. It wouldn't ever hit 20. And look at where we are now. Second time around, it's more bullish than ever. Institutions, the whole world talking about Bitcoin. And we're still so early. And this is another thing people don't understand. Only 1% to 2% of the world owns Bitcoin. If you own even $1 of Bitcoin, if you own 100 sats, you're ahead of 99% of the world. You don't understand how early we are. People say that Bitcoin is too expensive right now. How could you buy Bitcoin when now it's $60,000 all of a sudden? It doesn't matter how much Bitcoin is right now. It matters how much you have for yourself. Money that belongs to you. Money that no one can take from you. It doesn't hurt that it's the best performing asset of all time. And I've been saying the same thing at the bottom. I'm saying the same thing now. And I will continue to say the same. This is a digital revolution about being your own bank and about self-sovereignty. This is about having money that's not controlled by centralized entities. And you know these centralized entities are not happy with what's going on right now with Bitcoin. And you know that we're going to go over all of the FUD that they have been spreading, including Liz Warren yesterday, on how she feels that we have to even the playing field with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Oh, it's about to get very interesting. Very interesting. We're going to see if Bitcoin holds what's going on right now. We have right here 60.4K. Seems that we hit around that 60.4, a little red dot in our way. So it seems that maybe, just maybe, we're fighting the fray right now. The VWAP is down pretty confidently on the minute, but the ultimate thing is holding right here at this 59,950. That's what I really want to hold. And I want to see if this could become support. And maybe even if this 60.4 could eventually become support right here, or 60.5. Seems like, again, when Bitcoin's trying to dip, like it's just getting defended majorly, especially being pushed over our resistance right here. Just major volume that came in. Just absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I just can't believe what's going on. I'm like in total shock right now. Let's say good morning to everybody in the chat because I have people coming in. Alrighty, ready. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. We're getting after it. We're getting after it. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. All right. Good morning. We got West, MK, Randy, Emma, Maurizio. Buenos dias, my friend. Skeeter McGoo. We got MetaMask. Good morning, David Brumblebee. David, thank you again for the super chat. John Foster and Emma Foster, my loves. Good morning. We have Gary Littlemore. Nice to see you. Dave Lucas, Bitcoin 70K, I'm ready. Patrick Leishman, good morning. Randy A, good morning. Alvio, Jonathan Morris, B and H Baker, good morning. We have Glenn, Kyle Millis. Oh, Kyle Mills, not Millis, sorry. Kyle Mills, welcome. Trask, good morning. Tave is out there somewhere. Sadie sometimes. OVD, Alexandra G, my girl. Alex, good morning. David Bryan, good morning. Julio, good morning. Who else? Coffeen, James Kellogg. Who else? Crypto Maid, Steve B, Ivan Hernandez, Jay Beasy, D-Bear XRP, 69. Good morning. Nice name. Nova Knox is getting more bullish. I'm ready. Orlando, good morning. Warplayer, good morning. Tim Pearson, never seen the liquidity candles grow so fast. Yeah, we have. We saw this last bull market, and the one before that, too, was insane. Crypto Pollo, cluck, my friend from PR. How's PR right now? Alexander Christie says, Alex from Scotland. Nice to see you, Alexander.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
$2 from Dino's Dispensers and Arcade. Solana gonna move today? Eyes.
Dinos, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. Let me go check out Solana for you. So we got Bitcoin that's hovering around 60.2. Let's go take a look here at Solanzo. All right. Boop, 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 boop. Where is it? All right. So we do have Solana that's still kind of at relevant levels here where we see the 104, 105 has been defended. So the next resistance is right here at 117 and then again at 120. That was a really sharp rejection right there. So I would look at 120 and then more bullish, I'm looking at 133, but still bearish that 94. Seems that like we have some nice curvature here on that momentum. Green dot printed, nice curvature on the money flow. It seems like it's going green, which is good. And then we have the RSI that's starting to boom as well. So I feel like if Bitcoin keeps going, maybe this could have a chance as well to maybe push to that 117 or 120 resistance and test it, see where it goes. But that's really all I got for Solana. Same stuff. But it seems like, again, like things are picking up, obviously. Dude, I am losing my mind. Neo, nice to see you. Crypto Pollo, do you think we hit all-time high before the halving? I think if people get too greedy, I don't know. But at the same time, I said this, Pollo, at 15K Bitcoin, I said, what if everything, FTX, everything, there's no selling pressure? What if there's none left? What if people are done selling? People are taking their crypto off of the exchanges now. There's no selling pressure. And then everyone thought I was crazy. We started to go back up. And again, I didn't know that for sure. Nobody knows that for sure. But now again, I was mentioning this a while ago because everyone started to become 4-year cycle maxis. And I said, listen, what if it doesn't hold the 4-year cycle? What if everyone's saying it's going to go to the 4-year cycle, it doesn't go to the 4-year cycle? And what if we start to run up before then? I've been throwing this little seed out. People thought I was Delulu. People thought I was crazy. And now we're at 60K Bitcoin. Now we've had a really nice run. So when Bitcoin has a really nice run, typically it likes to pull back. So can we have a nice pullback? Yeah. And is that healthy? Absolutely. So also April is pretty far away. April, what? 2 months away to the having pretty much like a month and a half at this point, depending on if it's the 18th or not of April. So that's like 6 months in crypto time. A month and a half is like 6 months crypto time. I like to think of it as dog years too. Like 1 year is like 7 years, you know? So I think this is pretty interesting. And I don't think the fear and greed charts are accurate because I don't see I think there's a lot more zest that could come into the market. And I don't think retail is fully FOMOing yet. So this is just my thoughts on the whole thing. Good morning to everybody in the chat. We got Chemistry Bro, Lux Shampoo, Hero, Ultrack. Nice to see everyone. Jonathan Schaefer. All right, guys, let's get after it. Yeehaw indeed. Yeehaw indeed. Lucia, this is a moment worth celebrating. Exactly. That's why I'm here early. I didn't even eat breakfast yet. I was about to get breakfast ready, but then I was like, oh, no way. We are just taking our coffee to the stream. And that's exactly what I did. And I just put on an outfit. I was like, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I need more. People want me to rave. We need a lot of spice in the chat. We need a lot of spice in the chat for me to rave this morning. John Doe, good morning to you. I need to upper my fans out here. It's freaking crazy. I'm losing my mind today. I'm too excited. So, all right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Wow, I'm in such shock right now with Bitcoin. Again, this is the golden freaking zone. This is the golden zone. It's not even imminent. It's the golden zone. It's the golden zone. Wow. This is important. This is so important. If we close today above this, that would be amazing. Oh, Alexandra G, what happened here? What happened here? Oh, thank you for the 5 memberships. Oh, you're so beautiful. Guys, we love the membershippery rain. Please give me a rocket emoji in the chat if you love your membershippery. And say thank you to Alexandra G. And thank you from me as well. Thank you, girl. I appreciate you. You're amazing. Holy poop. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Woohoo! Can we chat live? If you want to hop on YouTube, you can jump in that chat too. Dude, this is so insane. Wow, 60.4K right now. Again, the resistance was right here at basically 59,950. We went right through that. I was watching it. I'm so excited. I can't even. Just wow. Holy wow. My heart is racing. Let's take a look at Ethereum because Ethereum is blossoming like a beautiful flower. We have that level again, magical one.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
$2 from Dino's Dispensers and Arcade. What's your favorite arcade game to play?
My favorite arcade game, I think, would be the ones where you put that coin in and it kind of has those other coins in it where it's pushing the coins off and you have to get cards or whatever the prizes are on top of the coins. That's my degen thing. I love that. The Wizard of Oz one from Dave and Buster's. Look that up. That's my thing. Also, this level right here was highly important. 3235, guys. We were talking about it. We said this was highly important. Again, based on previous levels and rejections. And if we went confidently through it, maybe it would give us that shot at 3540. What freaking happens, guys? What freaking happens? So we established a really nice support at 2775. We are now conquering this 32.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
I haven't forgotten my pledge of $100 when Bitcoin P all-time high. I hope others will match me.
Thank you for your love. I appreciate you so very much. I got you, man. And listen, it might be sooner than we think. I don't know. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. So I'm hoping that the previous is true. We do have a lot of stuff going on here with this green dot pulling up the momentum, green money flow. We are pumping in money flow. The VWAP, though, is starting to curve, and I don't like curvature in this way with the VWAP. It doesn't make me feel comfy. But then we also have the RSI that's severely overheated, severely overbought, which, again, could it mean a cool down or keep running? It's possible it could keep running if the RSI continues to soar, if we got that momentum continuing to build, and, of course, that money flow as well, that money flow. We need the money flow. It's like a beautiful plant. It's not going to grow unless you give it water. We need the water for the plant. So I'm hoping this, at least after, if we cool off, right, this 32.30 could be the support. And I really just want to head to that 35.50 around. And then, yeah, I just can't believe what I'm looking at. Look at Ethereum. Like, this was great. An amazing run up to 26.13. Pull back, conquer that 23.40, which we knew was a magical number, and we just soared. Like, look at this. Like, this is 47%. 47 freaking percent. In a month. In a gosh darn month. If Uncle Jimmy was in the chat, I'd say to give me a golly, because that's what we need right now. A golly. I'm almost emotional. I'm almost emotional. Julian, thank you for the rose. A golly, thank you, B. I appreciate that. Wow. Bradley gave me a golly willikers. Thank you for that. Thank you. Class for that. I like the willikers. I like the willikers. This is so ridiculous. And even Litecoin is doing well at critical levels at 75.50. What were we talking about? That's where we're at now. So the 200-day SMA is doing pretty well, considering that we were having a lot of trouble with it. The green dot pulling that momentum up. VWAP sharply down, which I don't enjoy. Hopefully it turns around. Green money flow looking good. The RSI looking pretty fresh right here, and almost an overbought, which it hasn't been there since November. Guys, this is so beautiful. Like, I can't even tell you. Next level is $84 Litecoin. If we keep going in this bullish direction. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. My heart, it's just, I'm in disbelief, my friends. I'm in freaking disbelief. I could almost cry. I don't know. A lot of, like, people are like, it's going to be different. I think it's different. It's different. It's different. Listen, even if we retrace, man, on Bitcoin, that's A-okay, bro. Like, this is such an amazing move. I can't even tell you. I can't even tell you. And then, listen, even above this, I think probably because we're in the golden zone now. We can't deny that. The next major level is probably 63.9 or 65.9. And that's like, this is just so close to the nitty freaking gritty right now. Like, we're basically almost in price discovery, guys. We're basically in price discovery mode with Bitcoin. I'm so shocked by what's going on right now. Guys, do we test all-time highs? Let's do a poll in the chat. Do you guys think we're going to hit all-time highs on Bitcoin within the week? Within 1 week, put a 1 or a yes emoji, or a 2 and a no emoji. Please let me know. Please let me know. 1 and yes emoji for the next week, all-time highs for Bitcoin, and 2 for no. Please give me the emojis. I need membershippery in the chat. Please, membershipper. My gosh, I need a bagel or something. This is so wild. I'm like, wow. I'm seeing a lot of ones. Emma Foster said, I see you not hitting that like. Yes, Piano Maddie B, sing it for me, baby.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
That is so beautiful. I love that. Thank you, Piano Maddie B. Guys, what's going on? Tell me. I'm so excited. Wow. Holy wow. My heart is so warm right now. This is insane. Wow. Good morning, everybody. Give me an omelet. I need an omelet too. I'm with that. So I see a lot of no's, but I also see a lot of yes. Someone said all-time highs of small feet. So I'm kind of with you on that. I feel like if it really wants to go, it would. XO. Wow. FOMO Sapien, good morning. Boo Man, you're the best, by the way. Jonathan Schaefer, fresh lox and cream cheese on a salt bagel sounds freaking bougie. Wow. I am so shook right now. I think I need a potato to fly around my room.
A potato flew around my room
Wow.
before you came. Excuse.
I'm in disbelief. So yeah, I think the next major level that we should be watching here is 63.6. I have like a funky feeling with this. So we're gonna draw it out. I have a funky feeling. I've got a feeling that we're gonna be zesty. Oh wow. Wow. Just freaking wow. Yeah. So the next major level to watch is that 63.6, basically 63.6, 63.8. Again, that was our major rejection right here in April of 2021. That brought us down to that 48.7, 48.8, 49. And then we had over here where we were just rejecting it here and here and here, which then again brought us down to that same level again, basically 49K. So I would watch out for that because once we established like some zest here and we pulled through that 63.8, we went right to that all-time high. So that's what I'm looking at next. Can you guys believe this? Like I'm sorry. Like I am just so freaking shook right now. Like I am so freaking shook. Like do you guys understand what's going on right now? Like we were over here. Like this was over 2 years ago. I can't even believe that was over 2 years ago. And then we took that dip. We failed to establish support at 37.8. And then, guys, we were at $15,000 freaking Bitcoin. Every single one of these candles we were live for all of these candles leading up to this point. Do you understand how much time has passed? How much we've grown as a community? All of the things that have changed to get us to where we're at now? Are we really grasping what's going on here? Please let me know you guys understand. Like, what is happening here? Wow.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Good morning, everybody. How is it to wake up to freaking $60,000 Bitcoin? We got to go back to the minute chart. I'm so intrigued. I got to know what's going on. We do know the market, the little stock market is going to open in probably like, I don't know, what is it, 30 minutes from now, 9:30. It's 9 o'clock now. So we have 30 minutes until the market opens. So I want to see what happens if the liquidity starts to flow in from TradFi plebs that literally just hit their desk at the trading floor and they have their own personal whale wallets that are going to go smash by. I'm interested to see what's going to happen. On the minute chart, seems like we have a green dot that's playing out. I'm just, wow. Just wowed. This is so ridiculous. Look at this. If we are, I don't know, could we test it again? Could we hit the highs again? Is this going to happen? Look at this. I don't know, guys. Do you think this could happen? It's basically at 701 is really where it's at, 60.701. So I would look at this. Guys, are we even up right now? I don't even know. Wow. Wow. Good morning, everybody. So, it seems like we might try to test that 60.7K again. Let's see what happens. I'm very intrigued. I guess we'll just keep watch on it. We'll do a little bit of some news as we're waiting for Bitcoin to keep going. So we have the IRS that's hiring 2 private sector crypto experts to prep for tax season. And we know that the IRS, they can't track their own money. The United States can't track billions of dollars that they sent to gosh knows who, but they know where your money's going. So the IRS, they're not here to protect you in any way. They want your money. The IRS has appointed 2 new crypto tax experts from the private sector to focus on digital assets. They have the filing season, and it commenced on January 29th, which after the IRS repeatedly issued notices urging citizens to report all crypto and digital asset income, including NFTs, even though there is no definition of what a crypto asset is and how to trade it, because, again, what is a security, what's not. The 2 new IRS recruits have been hired as executive advisors to the department, and the IRS said the pair, who have extensive experience in the tax and crypto industries, will help lead the IRS efforts building services, reporting, compliance, and enforcement programs focused on digital assets. The commissioner believes that expertise from the private sector can help them successfully build a digital assets infrastructure, quote, in a way that works well for everyone. They said, at this time, digital assets are not to be included when determining whether cash received in a single transaction or 2 meets the reporting threshold. Which, again, how do we know what's a security? How do we know what's not a security? They never give us that answer. So, and how could they tax us on something that they don't have any regulation for? If our own government says that crypto's worthless, then why are you taxing us on it? It's because everybody wants their cut. Everybody wants the cha-ching. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. And you know that they're so upset that Bitcoin's going up, but they're also so happy, the IRS, that a lot of these plebs are going to maybe paper hand, sell it for profit, and they're going to have to pay a fat tax on it. Bitcoin is 60.5, still struggling with 60.5. I don't know what the deal is, but we do have a green dot that just printed on market Cipher. If that VWAP starts to go, then we might have some momentum building here. Wow. This is so insane. I can't believe what's going on. Oh my gosh, we have momentum. VWAP is going. VWAP is going. The VWAP is going. I'm so excited. Wow. Guys, we're going. We're going. Let's do 60.7. Let's go, Bitcoin. Guys, this is our highs for the day, basically. If the VWAP keeps going, we might have some hope. We might have some hope. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Give me rocket emojis in the chat, everybody. Give me a rocket emoji. Wow. Wow. Look at it go. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. You can do it. Fight it. See, look, the VWAP is just not that excited. She had that spike where we pushed that 60.6, but we need a stronger VWAP. We need a stronger VWAP. Oof. Dude, this is insane. This is absolutely wild. Come on, RSI. Let's go. Let's go, RSI. Come on, let's go, Bitcoin. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. It really wants to hit that 60.7. It really does. Booster rockets engaged. Let's go. Come on, Bitcoin. We can do it. Guys, we're basically at our highs for the day. We are getting into uncharted territory, Rudy Poo. It's happening. It's happening, Rudy Poo. Holy poop. Are we going to test that 60.7 again? Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Come on, Bitcoin, I'm so excited. Wow, come on. Oh no. Come on. The buyers are defending it. You see how the whales are trying to dump on us right now. And the other whales are like, no, not happening. Wow, this is so wild. Let's go to ETH right now. That's battling as well. Had the high for the day at 33.50. And then again, we're working on trying to tackle that. Look at the whales defending. Like, look at all this battle that's going on. This is like massive, like psychological rain. The high over here was 33.69, which is a great number. So I feel like we should revisit that at some point. But the VWAP is just giving the wrong type of curvature. It seems like it might go below the zero line, which worries me. But let's see if it picks up. The battle is happening with these whales. Look, Ethereum, go! Ethereum, go! You can do it! Go! Look at it. Look at the battle. This is insane. How wild is this to watch? Wow. That is massive. This is massive. And you know what? The mainstream media is freaking silent. Everybody is silent right now because they don't know what to think of this. They don't know what to think of what's going on right now. Wow. This is, I'm so shook. I am so shook. Now, I guess, wow, I don't even know. I don't even know. Look at this. We might tackle the freaking highs for the day. Like Bitcoin, you can do it. Don't give up. Don't give up, Bitcoin. Look at that battle. The volume needs to come in like it did here. If we get this type of volume, that's what we need. We need this type of volume to come in. I feel like that push would be sick. Make sure, again, you guys are smashing the likes. Let's share the stream out with friends. Let's get everybody you know in here, my friends. We have 110 likes. Let's get 125. We can do it. We can do it. All right. So we're going to do a little bit of news, I guess, while we wait for Bitcoin to keep moving. All right. Let's do it. 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 So we also have Kraken that's in a very hefty legal battle with the SEC. And we have a lot of people that are trying to fight them. And as Kraken is dealing with the SEC, they're also looking to do some institutional focused offerings. So first, the Chamber of Digital Commerce is now stepping in to help Kraken because the SEC threw the kitchen sink at them between saying that their staking was not allowed or that they're an unregistered securities broker, which, again, they've been completely transparent since they got in the space. Chamber of Digital Commerce said, we're stepping in. We filed an amicus brief with the SEC versus Kraken case, and their goal is to end the SEC's attempt to regulate the digital asset industry without legislative authority. They're saying it matters because enforcement is not enough. While Congress works on solutions, the SEC's aggressive approach stifles innovation. Fair regulations can open opportunities for economic growth, job creation, and financial inclusion. Contrary to the SEC's interpretations, digital assets are not inherently investment contracts. The SEC's aggressive enforcement posture towards digital asset companies such as Kraken would have enormous complications.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
$19.99 from Retro Mike Tech. Every great dream begins with a dreamer.
Oh.
Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the P to reach for the stars and change the world.
Oh. Thank you so much for that. We do. We can change the world, and we're changing the world together. We are changing the world together. Pump it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Thank you. They're saying the SEC's aggressive enforcement posture towards digital asset companies such as Kraken would have enormous complications for the trillion-dollar digital asset space as it stands to and fundamentally impede development in the U.S. economy. This is amazing. And there was a retweet from Perianne. She's the founder and CEO of the Digital Chamber. And she said, it is time to end the SEC's regulation by enforcement of the digital asset industry. We're proud to back Kraken in this case. So this is extremely bullish for Kraken. It's extremely bullish for crypto. Now that Bitcoin price is rising, the SEC is going to have less and less ground to stand on as more people want to get into this space. And the money that's coming in to now defend Kraken. And we're lucky that Kraken has the ability and the credibility to have such people behind them to fight the SEC. This is highly important and needs to be solved because, again, there is no regulation. So how could you come after all these people? What's up, Sam 2020? Been a minute, my friend. Where have you been? We also have Kraken stepping up as they're battling the SEC, and they're prepping for new crypto entrants with institutional-focused offerings. So let's see. Crypto exchange Kraken has debuted a platform targeted at institutional investors in a bid to work with those getting involved in the crypto space. Their new institutional brand was designed to pull existing Kraken offerings into one place for clients, according to Tim, the global head of Kraken's institutional business. It'll include the spot exchange as well as derivatives, qualified custody, and indices via their subsidiary CF Benchmarks. Quote, the diversification of the institutional market to include more types of asset managers makes this a timely development, particularly as the institutional adoption of crypto is expected to grow rapidly. It's set to launch later this year, and it includes qualified custody services offered by Kraken Financial, which is a Wyoming-chartered special-purpose depository institution. Quote, they said from Kraken, Kraken's new institutional brand is less about grabbing existing market share and more about preparing the ground for new entrants as they start to engage with the digital asset space. Which, yes, that is amazing. Shout out to freaking Kraken for doing something. And also, there's going to be some other institutional things from Coinbase as well. So Kraken isn't the only one aiming for institutions in the country. But again, I find it weird that, like, how can you move forward with all this stuff, Coinbase as well, when they're both in legal battles with the SEC? What does the SEC have power over in terms of this? And how could this case from both Coinbase and Kraken affect what they're trying to do with institutions? Can it affect what they're doing with institutions? And if they were such bad actors, they wouldn't be able to move forward with this, would they? Ooh, Flat Smack, I like that joke. He said, cracking down on the Bears. Yerd. Like that. I like it. Smash the likes, my friends. Sip coffee. This is so wild what's going on right now. I can't even contain myself. But we're still moving with Bitcoin. It just seems that we can't crack this 60.5. It's just not happening. Or what was this, the 60.7? Yeah, basically 60,680 something is really the problem. VWAP is sharply down. Red dot was printed. RSI is not giving us the best of the zest. But listen, we're really holding 60K very nicely. So I'm very interested to see what happens now. It seems like we're battling in the negative direction right now. We'll see. We'll keep watching the charts, but still, $60,000 Bitcoin. That's insane. Just amazing. Absolutely amazing. We're so fortunate to be here. We're so fortunate. All right, let's see. Sheesh, guys. Be careful right now. Now, let's take a look here at the next, which is CBDCs, man. And CBDCs are very scary. And I'm going to tell you, CBDCs are the end of your rights, your liberty, your property. And that's why we talk about Bitcoin all the time, is because Bitcoin instantly enhances your rights of life, liberty, and property when CBDCs take them all away. Now, there's a lot of people that, like Liz Warren, really support CBDCs. And then there's real people that are like, hey, no, we can't do that. That's bad for America. If you're pro CBDCs, you're anti-America. You're anti-human at that point, because you cannot have any power or rights or influence over your own life when you have a programmable digital currency that censors you and can geofence you and tie you into a social credit score. That's already happening in China. It's not fake. It's not conspiracy. It's real. And we also have Senator Braun that said this on Fox Business yesterday.
Thanks for being with us. All right, central bank digital currencies. We've talked a lot about that on this program. You say they're a huge threat, and you better stop it before it starts. Tell us about the threat.
Well, it'd be the ultimate surveillance tool in my mind. And let's look at what digital currencies are about. Number one, even outside of government, they probably have to become less volatile. A medium of exchange is supposed to be stable and kind of grows with the economy. I don't think that's established itself yet. But when you get central governments involved in having a digital currency, I think there's all kinds of things that can happen. Name me one that is currently doing a good job with the regular old currency. The amount of money that we're borrowing and spending, we've been that reserve currency. That is going to start to go by the wayside over time. Will the euro come back? I don't think anybody's going to trust maybe a Chinese central currency, let alone giving them the digital version, which I think they'd manage probably better than the rowdy markets out there, but we don't want to go there because you're talking about our own government that's trying to peek in on your bank account when you spend $600 or when you buy certain products. That is scary. We need to slow way down on that, and we need to get our own financial house in order, our own sovereign currency, before you even get close to looking at something like this.
At least someone's saying it. How horrible CBDCs are, and the fact that like this literally has to be brought up and people have to defend like the basic human rights of America and be like, hey man, like this isn't okay. And again, who is he comparing the United States to in this case? None other than who, what, and where?
China. China.
When you start comparing the free world to China, there are major issues. So I'm just throwing that out there as well, that the dollar is failing. As this man said, CBDCs are actually horrible, and they will censor you. They will take away your rights. You will not be able to be your own bank. You will not be able to have any transaction that's private. You will be watched with every move you make. Yet our own government can't track their own billions of dollars that they're just handing out like candy on the street. Why is that allowed? Why do we have to be cracked down on when they're not? And on top of that, they're giving a lot of money to other people in this country that shouldn't have it. And are they being watched on where they're getting their free money and where they're spending their free money? No, they're not watching it. They don't care where they're spending their money. So all these people in this country that they're handing free checks to, that are not being watched by gosh knows what, but we can't buy a coffee without them knowing it. Seems like Americans, the people that live in this country that are here, can't even live their lives, but people that aren't get to do whatever they want. Is that right? That's horrifying. That I can't go buy coffee, but somebody else that just gets a prepaid card with free money gets to buy whatever they want with it. So that's just horrifying. And it's already happening now where if they don't like you, they don't like what you're doing, then they will shut down your bank account. And that becomes even easier with the CBDC, considering that all of these banks will be interconnected with one another. And if they don't like you at one bank, they will make sure they censor your transactions at every other one. All right. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Let's talk about... Ooh, we have some spicy stuff. I don't even know what to get into right now. I'm so excited. We do have Bitcoin green dot printing on the minute. Let's see if anything happens from there. We need a more confident VWAP, honestly. We need some love and zest from the VWAP here. Hopefully can end up tackling this 60.7K. I would really love that to happen, my friends. I would really love that. But it seems like, again, like the bulls are really battling here. And hopefully we could get like a nice move up. It seems like the VWAP is starting to go. Let's see where the RSI is. Seems like we're breaching neutral there. So, woohoo! We might have a rad. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Emma's making me laugh in the background. All right, so Yeah. Okay. So let me go take a sip of water. Hold on. I've been on here for almost an hour now. Let me just grab some water really quick. Okay, I'm back. Beautiful. Guys, this is so wild, man. This is so wild. All right, let's see. What happened? I'm back now. Don't worry. Sorry, guys. I just started so early. Like, I didn't even have breakfast yet. I was just getting after it. So let's see what we got now. Still, we're trying to move up with Bitcoin. This defense is wild. Absolutely crazy. I'm so excited. Guys, this is so crazy. Look at Bitcoin go. All right. So I guess we could talk about, what do you guys want to talk about? Liz Warren or Sam Bankman-Fried? Okay. Wow, what a crazy freaking morning. My phone's blowing up. Everyone's texting like, this is... Pump it up, guys.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
All right, so let's keep smashing the likes again.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
All right. Bears trapped. Someone's JBZ, 3 white bros on the 4 hour. Let's go check that out. All right. So let's see. Oh, this is a 3 white bros on the 4 hour. But I think is this correct though? My friend in the chat. Don't we need a, whatchamacallit, JBZ? I think we need a 4th candle to confirm that. So I think this candle has to close in the green, and then we have to have another candle that confirms it, right? Andrew F., what's for breakfast? Dude, I didn't even have any. You need to pick me up a bagel from the bakery. Like, this is crazy. I literally thought I was going to go live this morning at 7 a.m. Like, I've been ready. And then I went live at, like, I don't even know what time. 8? All right. Let's see. SBF parents equals jail time. I know. I agree. So let's just talk about Liz Warren because, Liz Warren. Liz Warren is sticking on CBDC. She's a big advocate for CBDC. She's an advocate for everything that doesn't benefit America. But she is putting her hit out on crypto again, saying that we need to, quote, even the playing field, which... You know how I feel about the playing field in TradFi, especially someone like Liz Warren, who only makes around $200,000 a year, yet somehow amassed over a $70 million net worth. Doing what? How? Where's the even playing field? I would like to ask her, especially when she says things like this that are highly questionable.
With the industry, what I don't understand is why the industry seems to be saying that the only way that they can survive is if there's plenty of space for the drug traffickers and the human traffickers, and the terrorists and the ransomware scammers and the consumer scammers and the rogue nations, North Korea, that is financing about half of its nuclear missile program with crypto, that all of that has to be left open. Keep in mind, in our financial system, pretty much everybody follows the same set of rules. I'm talking
Like
banks
what?
and credit unions and credit card companies, gold traders and stockbrokers. Private equity now has to follow the rules. Precious metal dealers, Venmo, Western Union, but not crypto. My view of the world is same kind of activity, same kind of risk, should have the same regulation. I'm not looking for fancier regulation for them. I'm not looking for anything tougher for them. I just want a level playing field here.
Give me a Liz Warren in the chat. Guys, spam the Liz Warren emojis. Are you serious? This woman said we need to, all crypto wants is to make a room for.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
You're marvelous. Stay true, smile.
Thank you, Joe. I appreciate it. I really do appreciate you. So Liz Warren is saying that we are trying to just make more room for all these illicit actors when if you look at the U.S. Treasury themselves, they said that cash is the vehicle for criminal activity, not crypto. And did she mention that crypto's illicit financing went down 30% last year? No, because it doesn't fit her narrative. She wants to have the Digital Asset Anti-Money Laundering Act, which wants to cut out peer-to-peer trading, cut out self-custody, which is physically impossible in a complete and utter delusion. She is delusional. Why doesn't she look at her BFF, Jamie Dimon, and all the illicit financing that has gone through JP Morgan because they're the most fined bank in America? Billions of dollars in all these fines. Compare that to the illicit financing in crypto. It's another thing that does not make sense. Talk about evening the playing field. Let's not joke around here, because the only playing field that's any sort of even is crypto, where anyone, anywhere in the world, doesn't matter how old you are, what religion you have, what the color of your person is, what your socioeconomic status is. It does not matter. What matters is that you have money that belongs to you, which is another thing that she doesn't want. She doesn't want you to be your own bank. She doesn't want you to have a currency of any sort that doesn't devalue when her and her buddies decide it's the money printer, because yes, they all talk. I don't care if people are like, oh, she's not in charge of this, she's not in charge of that. They're all on the same team, guys. Let's not joke around. They all sit at the same table. They have a conversation. They're all on the same page. Liz Warren is a bad paid actor. How did she amass her $70 million net worth with a $200,000 salary? Why don't we start asking her the questions? Why don't we ask her to even the playing field with all the insider trading within our government, within the hedge funds, within the people that have the ability to shut down our stock market and hold whatever they want when they feel like it and it doesn't go in the direction they want? When the people want to make a decision on if we want to invest in something like Wall Street Bets. They said we want to invest in AMC and GameStop. That was one of the worst days in history for hedge funds. All the articles from that day got deleted because of how embarrassing it was. And they had to hold those stocks multiple times. That's just the reality of this situation. And I hate to break it to people that are so lost in this TradFi delusion that thinking that these people actually care about you, when all they care about is their own pockets. If Bitcoin starts taking off and people start trading in their USD for Bitcoin, then obviously their purchasing power, their power diminishes. Because now what they thought they had over the people is not anymore. How unfortunate that this is who leads our country. One of the people that calls the shots is this woman that's still saying that Bitcoin and crypto finances half of the North Korean nuclear program. Like, one, who said anything about that? Where is this proof of this program? And two, where are the crypto transactions and how much in crypto are they actually spending, these North Koreans? They don't show you anything. And whenever Liz Warren posts something on X, she gets community noted because she's lying. How are these people allowed to go on these interviews and lie to you? And when these people are interviewing them, why don't they ask them why they're lying? Because it's all theater and all the media is on the same freaking page. There should be more people that are willing to confront them. And soon, you know, it will happen. It will happen when they're with an interviewer that will speak their mind instead of these mainstream actors that just say whatever they need to say to keep their job. If the media was really real, if these people really cared about you, they would say things that matter. And they would ask these people questions that matter, not these softballs. Crypto is going to take their power away, and they're horrified. That is the only reason. If Bitcoin really wasn't worth anything, if crypto really wasn't a threat to their empire, they wouldn't talk about it. They would never mention it. It wouldn't be an issue, just like it wasn't in 2017 when there were ICOs all over the place, where even 10 years ago when the Gemini Winklevi brothers, they filed for an ETF for Bitcoin. They didn't care then. They didn't care about anything you did then. But now that Bitcoin is really worth something, now that crypto is really taking off, and now that they realize that it's really out of their control now, they're horrified. $60,000 Bitcoin scares them because all of their people in TradFi that try to make 3% on a stock or pump a stock. Yesterday I saw a medical stock that's been on the market for years that pumped over 100% in one day. If that was crypto, they would have called it a scam. But because it was a medical stock that all these people are investing in, yeah, let's go. What a successful investment. Gosh forbid that was crypto. Or NYCB. That is added to lows from the year 2000, a banking stock. They're not talking about that on TV, how it's not recovering. They're not talking about how this could be the next bank to fail because it doesn't fit their narrative. But they'll talk about Bitcoin. They'll throw all the shots they could at Bitcoin because they have nothing left. Nothing. Kaplu. Kaplu. She's a horrible person. She's a horrible person. Guys, like, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Freaking crazy what's going on. I need a snack. Hello, Ahmad. Girls know about crypto? Yeah, I heard they do, Cameron. I'm not sure. I need napkin. Isn't that crazy? Girls in crypto and stuff? Nerds and stuff that are women? That's crazy. All right, I'm just joking around, but it's true. Stephanos, thank you for the rose. I appreciate you. Sheesh. Take one, take a break. You guys think I should take a break? You guys think I should have a snacky? I'm kind of tearing this thing apart because I don't want a meme out there, you know? Hi, Crypto Outcast. Chacho Muffin, what should we eat for breakfast? You're having an omelet. That's beautiful. Shago said 10 out of 10 ramp. Thank you.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
The Raven eat. I don't think I've ever had like a snacky on the stream before. I think I've taken bites of cookies, but it hasn't been a snack, you know? Because I don't want y'all to be like, what is she doing, you know? But we do have Sam Bankman-Fried, where I'm asking what is going on here every single day. Because it was rumored that maybe he could get a prison sentence as low as 24 months. And now, what makes it even more interesting is that SBF has the same lawyers as Alex Mashinsky, and he's asking now for 6.5 years of a prison term after their conviction, everyone's conviction, because we know it wasn't just him. Even though we haven't heard about Caroline Ellison or any of the squad from FTX since this whole collapse and people started getting sentenced and charged last year. So SBF was found guilty of fraud last year, and he asked the court for a quote-unquote just sentence of 63 to 78 months, according to a court filing. His lawyers were objected to the President's Investigation Report, PSR, which recommends a sentence of 100 years in prison, calling it grotesque. He was convicted of 7 charges of fraud and conspiracy. Quote, Sam is a 31-year-old first-time nonviolent offender who was joined in the conduct at issue by at least 4 other culpable individuals in a matter where victims are poised to recover. We're always poised to recover. 100 cents on the dollar, said the filing. When, again, the math still doesn't add up of how they only recovered $7 billion. They still have way over 8 that was missing. And I'm really not sure where, again, they're getting this money from. And they also have millions of dollars of ETH and Solana that are staked for annual returns. A bunch of properties that we don't know if they sold. Yeah, we've had price appreciation in crypto, but there was a hack on FTX where a bunch of their crypto went missing. So again, the math isn't mathing. Who is really paying all of these people back to make them whole? And why would this even be a reason to lower his sentence when he still had campaign financing, which they never held him accountable for? And he totally manipulated the market with a bunch of things like Solana, FTT. The fact that he literally had money go through FTX straight to Alameda's bank account and was purchasing all these things for his friends and himself. So I don't know why he wouldn't be held accountable for any of that. The lawyers argue that an appropriate method of arriving at a just sentence would be to consider an adjusted offense level based on, quote, 0 loss, which would lead to an advisory guidelines range of 63 to 78 months. The filing heavily draws on how the harm to investors, lenders, and investors is 0 because the bankruptcy estate has stated it expects to fully repay everybody. The attorneys argued that FTX and FTX US were solvent when the companies filed for bankruptcy. Meanwhile, apparently they didn't even have any Bitcoin when they said they were selling you Bitcoin. So that's a complete lie. Noting that FTX's bankruptcy estate claims it has north of $10 billion in assets as opposed to the exchange's $8 billion hold, which again, the math isn't mathing. He said that Sam did charitable work and demonstrated commitment to others. What charity did they have whenever someone wanted to go through a charity and do something with FTX for charity, they had to go through SBF's dad. And SBF's dad was the one that was in control of all the money. And where did a lot of that money go? Oh, to our president, who he's the second largest donor for. All of the campaign financing, all of the 1 in 3 people in our Senate, in our government, that got paid from SBF. So I don't understand what's going on here. I really don't. Speaking of founders, because I'm over SBF, he annoys me. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. And apparently he's not going to be extradited for a while. And they're saying at least before around the end of March. He might make it, which means he's going to miss probably the beginning of his trial. Dogecoin may not be extradited to the U.S. in time for the SEC's trial, but we do see it would probably not be until the end of March. So we're going to have to see, and he's been there for almost a year. So little Dodo's got some things going on. Little Dogecoin. Little Dodo. And we have the market recap. So let's get into it, guys. We have the sea of green. Some red bubbles too. But that's okay, because Bitcoin blooms. So take a look. We got Pepe that's up 42%. We got Toncoin that's booming because they're going to be doing some stuff with Toncoin. And they want to share revenue with the cryptocurrency. So it's very cool. But we got Bitcoin that's at 60.2. We had a high of around 60, what was it, 60.9? And we have like a little bit of resistance at like 60.7 is where the resistance is right now on the minute. So I would keep watching for that. We have the green dot that's pushing that momentum. VWAP looks like she's doing okay. Litecoin still around $75, $74.96. Let's go back to the daily. And then we have $3,300 Ethereum, which again, we're looking bullishly, hopefully, to that 35.50, and then neutrally closing here at 32.30. Doge hit 10 cents yesterday, which frick yeah for Doge. Absolutely beautiful. Green dot pulling the momentum up, VWAP. Money flow is finally in the green, which is great for Dogecoin. And this is my warm and fuzzy level, 9.5 cents. And I proposed it yesterday. I said, is it possible? Because it happened before. Every time we cross 9.5 cents with confidence, we hit 10 cents. That's exactly what happened yesterday. And our next bullish point is 10 cents still, but 0.10675. That is the next major point. So yeah, guys, we have a lot going on with Bitcoin today. A lot of beautiful things happening. And I'm very excited. I really am. It's so beautiful. For real. Wow. So we're at 60.1K. We're going to see what happens, guys. And if anything crazy happens, you know I'll be back. And I know I went live early. Like, literally, we've been live for over an hour already. We love the VWAP, yeah. But we've been live for a long time. I still didn't eat yet, so I'm going to go do that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the show because this was just so wild. And this is absolutely historical. I'm so excited to see what happens. And again, if we start moving again, I'll be back. I just need to, like, make sure I get my sheesh together. This was just so insane today. Just literally woke up, went live, didn't do anything, literally started drinking my coffee live. Like, you could see me waking up throughout the stream. It was so fun. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't yet, make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. It's been an amazing show. We're going to get after it. Again, I'll probably be back later with all the love and the zest that's going on. I want to see if maybe we can retest. We are in the golden zone, so I just want to remind you guys of where we're at with Bitcoin really quick before I head out. We're in the golden zone here. This is basically almost price discovery, so neutrally today, we want to close above 60K. And then we're looking at 63.9 is the next, I would say 63.7-ish. 63.7 is the next major point. So we are in the golden zone, which means that we are approaching all-time highs. But again, if we retrace, that's okay. Don't worry about it. We're going to get after it, guys. Have an amazing day. Oh, shoot. We just got raided? No way we just got raided. Now where to go? Lazarus, man. Like, look. Like, we have right here. And listen, we had such a crazy run-up. We had such a crazy run-up that, like, it's just, I don't know it. Do we slow down or do we keep going? Let's see. Oh, gosh, we're getting raided by the chumpers. Good morning, chumpers. Yeah, we were early. I've been live for over an hour already. Oh, gosh, guys. We're getting freaking raided, of course. Of course, this is the one we're getting raided. This is crazy. And Bitcoin's starting to pick up again. What do I do? What do I do? Yeah, I did start early. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yes, I started early. I've been live for over an hour. We hit 60K Bitcoin, and I wasn't missing it. Oh, wow. Guys, of course. Oh, we got the pickles in here. Is Gio in here? No, it's just Clamar. Hi, Clamar. Carl, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Oh, gosh, all my miners are here. Pump it up, guys.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh, gosh. I can't. You guys are nuts. I literally went through the news. I did everything. And now I get raided. You guys are funny. You guys are hilarious. Make sure you guys smash the likes. Now that you guys are here, can we get 150 likes? Let's pump it up.
Pump it up.
Oh, we have 177. We're way past that. Can we get 200? Smash the likes, guys. 23 more.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow, what is going on? What is going on, guys? Oh. I mean, listen, guys, this is... Jonathan said, who's calling in sick from work today? That's hilarious. I'm sure a lot of people are. A lot of people were up last night just staring at the charts, man. Sheesh. Guys, 12 more likes until 200.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Flux and Dynex TA. Yeah, I'll do that for you. Sure. I don't know. Bitcoin might have another run. Okay. So, Flux. Let's see what's going on here today. All right. So, Flux. Next major level, I think. Oh, my poop. All right, so let's check this out. So we're at $1.04. Yeah, $1.04. We're up. Oh, I thought we were in the green here. 0.1 in the red. Green dot printed, very high momentum. VWAP down, but the money flow is booming. So I would, again, be aware. I would look at that dollar maintaining $1 since it's a psychological level, and then I would look at $1.22 based on the rejection right here and also failing to hold support back here in September 2022. So that's what I would look at. And then Dynex, hold on. Yeah, that's still in the same spot pretty much. I'm not seeing the best of the zest on the chart. 81 cents right now, so I would look at the 200-day SMA. If it rejects, I would be looking at this 77 cents and then even below that 55. But if it starts to take off with the rest of the market, maybe $1.14 based on previous rejections, that would be something I would like to tap and see what happens there. Not the best of the zest indeed. Let's see. Dude, this is so crazy. Like, sheesh. These posts like, oh, my poop. Yeah, I did say that. Flush it. Like, this is so wild. John English. Give me all your money, boomers. That's so funny. Thank you, Ninja, for the $1 super chat. I'm not sure why some super chats come in and why some don't. It's just very odd. Let's see. Good morning, Dan R. Hello, Dan R. Smokey. Hi, Smokey. Farmer. That mug is huge. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's a beautiful one. But yeah, Bitcoin is beautiful right now. Renee in the chat says, my daughter Bella says hello from Texas. Hi, Bella. Nice to see you. Good morning. Much love to you. Hold on here. That's for Bella. Thank you for stopping by and hanging with me this morning. Happy 60K to you. Woo! Yay! Pump it up!
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Please say good morning to me. Dr. Potato, did I get into any mining stocks? I don't really do stocks, I'm going to be honest, because I don't believe in a market that they claim is free, which is not free, in which they control when you can trade and when you can't. So I don't really trust the stock market. Sorry. I mean, listen, if you guys want to invest in the stock market, do your thing. But you still have a bunch of intermediaries and people that could censor your account if they don't like you. Lil Red, good morning to you. Black Hat Team Zestopia is a thing. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. OG Backroad, nice to see you. Clamar said, Randy to the moon. Let's get after it. Curtis, Bitcoin with the frickin'. You're funny, dude. But yeah, listen, Bitcoin is chilling right now. Freaking 60K, man. Like, gosh, I feel like this was yesterday where we were at 60K last time in 2021. I'm looking at the minute right now. Boop, 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 boop. It's been a real battle with the minute chart, just really trying to find, and listen, the support here at this 59.50 is so real. So real. I'm like so happy right now with Bitcoin. It's insane. But listen, could it just pop off and go for another run? Absolutely. But we need to make sure that, like, again, you have that bullish bearish case scenario. You're not too shook and all of that. Let's get 225 likes, guys. We're over 200 now. A view of the world from my eyes says stock market is good for long-term companies. Even then, how long-term is the stock market going to be if the banking system collapses and all that? John Legend, hello. 4J, good morning. Meninja, good morning. Corey Butler, Mellow Fellow, Nicholas Pitts, Memory Man. When Bitcoin breaks all-time high, does the mug get bigger? It might. It might. Look, guys, listen. I've been live for way over an hour. So again, like, I'm gonna watch out for Bitcoin, and if it really starts to move, oh, of course, as I'm saying that, and look, Bitcoin's going. Bitcoin's going. Oh my gosh, go Bitcoin, go. Go Bitcoin, go. We have a green dot. Come on. Like, this is so hard to leave. Like, just like looking at this is like, I'm mesmerized by the chartery. I'm mesmerized by her. She's like the prettiest girl in school, Bitcoin. Like, everyone's watching a little Bitcoin right now. Freaking sheesh, dude. Freaking sheesh. I don't know. The bulls are defending. There's a lot of love going on here. I know once I end the stream, that's when Bitcoin's going to pump. I know that's just what happens, like, all the time. It's just going to be my luck. It's just going to be my luck. I don't know. Are we going to start moving? Look at it go. Come on, Bitcoin, go. Go.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
I don't know. Is this going to happen? Is this going to happen? Oh! Look at Bitcoin go. It's 60.5. We need that 60.7. This is where the resistance is. I don't know. I'm so shook. What do? I think I need food. I think I need food. But at the same time, I need Bitcoin. I need Bitcoin more. I need Bitcoin more. Guys, imagine like 61K and like everyone losing their freaking noodles. Like the FOMO. Do you imagine the retail FOMO? Like, that's gonna come in. Like, do you guys understand like the love and the zest and like what everything that's going on right now? It's just like overwhelming. It's overwhelming. I don't know. Hi, Wifey Wick. Squeaky, it's happening. I know. Steven, hi. Sheesh, man. Little stinky. End the stream. LOL. I can't. Face melting rally coming. I don't know. I love Bitcoin so much. I do. I love Bitcoin so much. And the fact that, like, we're able to see 60K Bitcoin, like, live on stream. This is historical. I'm so fortunate to be able to share this historic moment with you. I really am. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I don't know. I guess I'm going to hop off. And again, if Bitcoin really starts to go, I don't care where I am. I'll freaking live stream it. I'm just so excited. I'm so happy. Bitcoin will still be there. Mr. Yee, you know I love my streams. I can't do it. Especially look, Bitcoin's starting to move. She's starting to go. Bitcoin, go. You can do it. This is what I said. You guys think like I scream just for the streams? I don't. Like, I literally sit at my computer. I do the same exact thing on or off stream. I'm screaming in my house, go, Bitcoin, go. And I get so excited. I'm like, come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Like, I get so fun. It's so fun for me. Crypto Rican, thank you for the roses. Nesto, thank you too. I appreciate it. Freaking sheesh, guys. Look at Bitcoin. Like, she's gonna freaking pimp. She's gonna pimp. Or maybe retrace. I don't know. But it's a lot of... David Bryan even said it for me. Stop the madness. Bitcoin doesn't want me to go. I know every time I say, guys, maybe I'm going to end the stream. No, Bitcoin says that you're going to stay here. Carl says I scream when I do crypto taxes. That's funny. Wow, this is so wild. I'm so excited. I love Bitcoin. Just, wow. My face is so red because I'm so excited. Just look, this Bitcoin's going right now. Bitcoin's going. Like she's actively trying to make new highs for the day. Like, guys, do we tackle 60.7? If we could get a nice candle to close there. Guys, look, come on, let's go, Bitcoin. 60.6. Come on, go. Go. You got it. 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 Go, Bitcoin, go. Are we going to do 60.7? Pump it.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Bitcoin, you got it. Come on, Bitcoin, you got it. Manifesting zest. Manifesting zest. Manifesting zest. Wow, 60.650. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Prove these whales wrong like you already did. Pamp it, freaking pamp it. This is amazing. Come on, let's close above 60.7. You can do it, Bitcoin. Kill the game. Kill the game. Like, this is a really nice climb up. Like, this is a very nice climb. We need to keep closing in the green for these candles, guys. Wow. This is so insane. I see you in the chat, guys. Give me rocket emojis in the chat ASAP. Give Bitcoin the love and the zest that she needs. Oh my gosh, are we going to do 60.7? Come on. 699. 7, yeah! Guys, we're at new highs for the day.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
In terms of candle closures, instead, not wick highs. Candle closures, not wick highs. Candle closures, not wick highs. The wick high that we still need to tackle is 60.9. But the candle is 60.7. Come on, Bitcoin, you can go. Imagine, do we go to 60 freaking 1K? Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm so freaking hype right now. This is so ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. Come on. Go, Bitcoin. You can do it. You can do it. Go. Go, Bitcoin. Go. Guys, this is insane. This is wild. This is wild. Go, Bitcoin. Go. We have to keep closing above this right here. We have to keep closing above this right here. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Holy poop, 60.8. We're at a new high for the day in terms of 1 minute candle closures. Guys, will we tap that 68.9 once again? Come on, Bitcoin, go. This is so wild to watch on the minute chart. We're losing it right now. I'm losing it right now. Are you losing it right now? I'm losing it right now. Are we going to tap 60.9? Is this going to happen? Wow, I'm bewildered. I'm bewildered. Wow, this is insane. All the bears are pooping their pants. Guys, we just hit our previous wick high. Let's see if we could close above that. If we could close above that, that's really good news. Look at it go. Guys, we're at new highs for the day. Official new highs. Let's go, Bitcoin. Pump it.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Bitcoin freaking pump to levels we haven't seen since freaking 2021. 2021. It's 2024. Oh my gosh. Guys, will we hit 61K? Did we do it? Did we do it? I got to check my other chart. I have my mobile charts. I have this chart. 61! Ah!
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh my gosh! Wow! I am, wow! 61, whoa! 61-1! 61-1! Oh my gosh, guys! Guys!
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Guys, we're at new highs for the day. I can't. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Guys, what is happening? What is happening? Guys, we just hit a new high for the day and we're still going. We're still going. Dude.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Holy wow. Guys, we're still going. $61,170. 61,200. $61,200.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh my God, guys, what is happening right now? We just hit new highs for the day. $61,200. Oh my word. Guys, it's happening. It's happening. Wow, we just hit $61,000. $61,000 Bitcoin. I'm going to cry. Like, I think I'm going to cry. This is $61,200 Bitcoin at this freaking moment. I can't believe what's going on right now. Cannot believe it. Just... worked so hard for this. We worked so hard for this. This is so insane. Oh, wow. We just fell below 61K. Could we have topped out for the moment? Maybe. Wow, I'm just so happy that we got to that point. Like, that run up was amazing. That was freaking fantastic. You know what? F that sound. We have this one that's even better. Yeah, Bitcoin, go, baby! Go, baby! That is so freaking nuts. Oh, wow. That is so amazing. I'm so happy. Like, this is so crazy. Bitcoin is killing the freaking game right now. Ronell, pimp it, Ronell. Pimp it, Ronell! Shoot, man. This is so historical. This is amazing. Holy poop.
Oh, yeah! Damn!
Damn! Seems like Bitcoin's still trying to defend 61K. Whoa, Bitcoin, go! Oh my gosh, look at this. Like, now we gotta watch, because once we went right through here, we hit that 61. So now I'm thinking, again, we gotta conquer this little resistance and see if we go past it confidently, what goes down. Oh, whoa. Oh, freaking whoa. I'm so happy I didn't leave. I'm so happy I didn't leave. I would have been so upset if I missed 61K Bitcoin on stream. The higher high was very good, Crypto Farmer. That was really good. I don't know, that VWAP, I need more confidence there. Holy poop. Holy poop. I'm so shook. I'm so shook. Hannah, happy 61K to you too. This is historical. This is the definition of history being made right here. We are witnessing $61,000 Bitcoin together. And we were with each other last time this happened. And we have been here for so long. Dude, we've been as a community here for almost 4 years. And do you see how zesty this is? How hard we work and how happy like we become? Like, I'm so emotional. Like, I'm freaking emotional. I don't know. Like, are we gonna rave today? Like, is this what should happen? I think it's worth it. I don't know. Please write in the chat. Write rave if you think we should rave. Please write that in the chat. Rave? Question mark? I'm just so wowed. What do I do, guys? Do I rave in the chat? I need to see some excitement in here. I don't know. I don't know. Do I rave? Do I not? Do I just walk away? What do I do? What do I do? Do I rave? What do I do? What do I do? Ninja with 100 emojis. What do I do? Whoa. Whoa. Woo. This is crazy. Right, Ronell? Yeah, Ronell, pumping it up the gifts on TikTok. Woohoo! This is so bonkers. This is so freaking bonkers.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Hello, Glenn, my Irish G. Nice to see you. He said blue is my color. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh my gosh. Ah, so excited.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh my gosh. Guys, what a roller coaster, dude. Oh, wow. This is so heartwarming. Thank you, Amarez, for the super chat. I appreciate it. My heart is so freaking warm right now. It is so ridiculous. Like, we just watched $61,000 Bitcoin happen on stream. And I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Wow. Thank you guys so much for being there, bro. Pet Brett, holy poop, hello, my friend. Gifted 5 memberships to the chat.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Thank you for the membershippery. Guys, let's arraign membershippery. Woohoo! Let's go. If you guys want to accept a membership, please press accept or allow gift. And you should be able to receive one. I want everyone to be a member in the chat so we can all have emojis and have fun together, okay? Oh, wow. This is so exciting, man. This is so exciting. This is so wild. This is so wild. Bitcoin is so amazing. 60.7K? Holy freaking poop. Holy poop. Wow.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
What a beautiful time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Where's the party? Yeah, come to Litecoin Summit, my friend. Litecoin Summit is from July 24th to the 25th in Nashville, Tennessee. Make sure you guys use the link in the live chat and the description and join us. Tickets are only $84 in Nashville. I'm so excited. Oh gosh, fake hearts in the chat. Thank you. Wow. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna go eat food. Oh gosh, as I say that, Bitcoin's picking up again. What do I do? Oh wow, this is so nuts. This is so freaking nuts. Look at this. Look at this. The VWAP looks like it wants to push through the 0 line. Look at Bitcoin. Does she test 61 again? Are you kidding me? Green dot just printed. Oh. 60.8? Is it going to go to 60.9? I don't know. This is so wild. This is so nuts. It is so crazy to watch. Ooh, are we going to go in the red? Ooh, no. Oh, no. Come on, Bitcoin. You could do it. I'm like talking about it like it's a little kid. You could do it, Bitcoin. You could do it. Wow. What do we do, guys? What do we do? This is so nuts. Because, like, if it goes confidently through 61, like, that is ridiculous. I don't know. Look at the candle go. Bitcoin go. 60.9 again. Are we going to go to 61? Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Go. Ronell, let's go pump it up. Pump it up, Ronell. Pump it up, Ronell. Oh my gosh, this is nuts. Come on. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oof. We're going to see. We're going to see. I don't know. I'm so shook right now. There's no other way to describe it. No other way to describe it. 64K today. That was the poll, guys. Do you guys think that we're going to hit an all-time high today? 66% of you guys said yeah. Like, I don't know. 69K is a very long way, but is it really? Not really. Like, look, guys, we might hit 61K again. I don't know. Like, 964, 958, 964 again, 958 again. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy to watch. It's so, like, how do you walk away from this? It's like, oh wow. Oh wow. I don't know. This is so crazy. Look, Bitcoin go. Come on, 61K, you get 61K. Let's see how it reacts now. Let's go. Don't fall below. You can do it, Bitcoin. Defend 61. Defend 61. Defend 61. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. She's over 61K. Come on, go. Wow. Wow. Bitcoin is over $61,000 right now. Holy smokes. All right. I don't know. It's so hard to watch. It's like, what happens next? Shoot. Boom, 61. Like, how do you chart and do TA on this Bitcoin? I don't think you could. I think it's very degenerate if you try. Wow. All right, I don't know. I don't know. All right, I think I'm going to have to call it for now. I know once I get off the stream, it's going to pump. But I do have to get some food because, again, I went live super early today and just running on fumes. So I don't know. I guess I'm gonna run. I'm gonna make the executive decision. I'm just so excited. We're gonna go grab some food, and if it keeps pumping, of course I'll be back. Because of course I don't want to miss history and stuff. I've just been live for almost 2 hours now, so we're gonna get after it. Again, if you haven't yet, make sure you guys smash these likes, subscribe, share this out with friends. We'll let PMB sing us.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I love watching us hit new highs for the day with you guys. Like, this is just So wild. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you to the highest degree. Have a great day. Again, if you haven't yet, make sure to like, subscribe, share this video. We're going to get after it. And again, I will be live again if there is more zest. Have an amazing day. Happy 60K. Be your own bank. When Bitcoin gets volatile like this, in either direction, exchanges tend to shut down. So if you need to take custody now. Have an amazing day. I'll see you guys later. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.
Hucksters.
Gary, why are you ruining
Fraudsters.
our moment?
Scam artists. Ponzi schemes.
Oh, hold on. Gary Gensler told me that I can't leave yet because he is a fan of Frankie Candle. So I'm going to do something really quick. And I'm going to customize on YouTube. Let's redirect. Where's Frankie? All right, so you guys are going to go, hold on, Bing Bong.
Bing bong.
With Frankie Candles. So if you guys don't leave yet, make sure you like, you share everything out with friends. We are going to go hang out now with Frankie Candles after this ends. See you guys. Gary Gensler, leave me alone.
Hucksters.
Gary, stop it.
Fraudsters.